Hi guys, good morning again. So I'm going to pruning all the uh, bush beans. So I got my buddy over here. He's just waiting for me. But before that, guys, I want to show you our flowers. Oh, that's so pretty. As you can see, yeah, it's so pretty. It's over here. Oh, yeah. So let's do it. Okay guys, so I'm removing the huge, so they got a little bit sun in here because there's no sun, guys, if they got a lot of uh, leaves. So what I need to do, just remove some of it so they can relax, guys. Okay, so some of it I already prune, as you can see over here. Yeah, it's already, but they got still. So we got a lot of green beans already that we can harvested. So let's remove more. Sorry about the background, guys. It's a little bit noisy. Wow, they got air now. That's nice. So over there I need to remove some of it of the leaves also over here too. Hoy, butter! No! Stop eating that nut. Okay, let's harvest now, guys. Ouch. This one is, I think I left it's old than this one, so I just leave that over here. This one, I'm gonna harvest this one. Yeah, these two in here. Char. Harvest time. Oops, small. Okay. Oh, let's check. I got them right here. I got here also, but I think it's old already. So I'm gonna try over here, but I can't get it. I need to go there. Okay, let's check over here. Yeah, this one is okay. I don't know. This one. That's different. I got a lot in here, guys, as you can see. And it's harvest this one. I don't know. Wait. Char. Okay, guys, so in this side over here, I already removed some of the leaves, as you can see. Yeah, so they got a little bit sun, so it's nice that if you remove some of it, so they can breathe, guys, because if they get a lot of how you call that, they got a lot of leaves, guys, oh my, it's hard to tell that they got a lot in here already, as you can see over there. Yeah, I got a lot to harvest, but I harvested that one after I'm done pruning. Okay, so today's video just pruning and harvesting. Okay, so let's do it. Yeah. Oh, wow, you can tell that they got a lot now. Yeah. Yes, 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 baby. Ooh. Wow. Right here. Okay, guys, so let's continue. Okay, guys, so all the leaves I got. Yeah, so I think it's done. As you can see, it's a little bit, a lot of air. Yeah, as you can see over here. Oh, this one is big, it's huge, so I'm gonna cut that. This one is huge. Okay, this one, yeah. Some of it is already, guys, a lot in here. Over here they got a little bit, that one, and over that one too, so they got, and over here they got a little bit, as you can see. Yeah, you can see down below. Yeah, so I already removed some of it, guys. Yeah. So if everybody's here, yeah, a lot of mosquito, guys, so I need to quick video now. Okay, guys, so it's done, as you can see, and I think, guys, that's it for today, and thank you for watching. Bye.